So this is the non-homogeneous equation because right hand side is not 0. So to solve this one, first step you solve for your homogeneous. Means step 1, find the homogeneous solution where we label at find the YC. To find YC, we let the non-homogeneous equation become homogeneous equation first by letting right hand side equal to 0. So this is called I just put homogeneous equation. This one short form I just put non-homogeneous equation. So to find non-homogeneous solution for non-homogeneous equation, you have to go through solution of homogeneous equation where we label the solution as YC. To find the solution of homogeneous equation, second derivative will replace it by m squared. First derivative by m, y is by m power 0. So you get this quadratic equation. You may solve it using your calculator directly, or you want to factor it manually. So you get the m equal to -1, m equal to 2. So you have the first case where you have different and real root. So now because you have this is non-homo equation, so we label the solution for homogeneous equation as a YC, which is a e. M1 is -1, so negative x plus b exponent 2x. So this is a YC, step number 1. Step 2. Step 2. I try to end. Yeah. Never mind. Forgot to enter. Step 2, you find the YP. The particular integral. This is called as particular integral. We'll choose YP actually based on your fx. Fx in this case is exponent 2x. So YP will choose AB, let's say I use C, also exponent 2x. We'll choose YP here is actually based on this one here, based on the fx here. Fx, you have exponent 2x, then YP will choose also exponent 2x with an unknown coefficient. A, B, so I may use C, or you can use any symbol as long as not A and B. So what do I mean by clash? After you choose a YP, you have to check whether YP clash with YC. Just now the example, your YP is a polynomial of degree 2. Polynomial of degree 2, of course, not the same form with exponential term. Here you have exponent 2x, and you see this one, this term, also exponent 2x. So this is what we mean clash. But exponent 2x, if we compare with this one, this term is not clash. It's only clash with the b exponent 2x. So this one is what we call clash. If clash, this one clash, then you should choose the YP. You multiply it by x. So this is a correct. After you multiply by x, you have to check cx exponent 2x. Here we have only exponent 2x. So this one no more clash. Then this is a correct YP that you can use. If let's say if your YC you have, let's say you have the same root, let's say if your yc is a plus bx exponent 2x. Okay, if the yc is a plus bx exponent 2x, so you have a exponent 2x plus bx exponent 2x. Okay, then this one, so you see, if this one, if your yc you obtain is have the solution of your yc a plus bx exponent 2x, when you expand this is bx exponent 2x. You check with this one, cx exponent 2x clash. So mean if you get this one, yc is here. First of all, how to change the equations, same root. Let me give you this one, the clash. You see this example 2.5. Right hand side, the fx negative 2 exponent 3x. The yc is a plus bx, exponent 3x. Here. So this is the yc that you obtain, and then this is the fx. Then I should choose yp, same form with fx. AB, let's say I choose c, also exponent 3x. Because the fx is negative 2 exponent 3x, I should choose yp, the same form with fx. So it's exponent 3x. And with unknown coefficient c that we are going to determine later on. After you choose yp, check whether clash with the yc. Yc here, a exponent 3x plus bx exponent 3x. So first of all, we see clash here. So this one cannot. So you choose yp, you multiply by x, so cx exponent 3x. Clash here. So cannot. So you should choose yp as cx squared exponent 3x. So so this example, the correct yp that you should use is actually cx squared exponent 3x. So is it clear? If for this example, that's what we mean clash. C exponent 3x clash with the first term, the a term. If you multiply by x, still clash with bx exponent 3x. So you multiply by x one more time, so total is cx squared exponent 3x. Now no more clash. If no more clash, then you differentiate one time, two time, one time put into the y prime here, second time put into here, and then you expand, simplify, compare the same term left side, right side in order to determine the coefficient of c. After you get yc, you get value of c, then you get yp. The general solution will be the yc plus yp. Is it clear what is the meaning of the clash here?
Yeah.
And then we look back this one. So for this one is only you need to multiply by x only, because after multiply by x, cx exponent 2x no more clash with the a term or the b term. So then
One more question for the flash, right? It focus on the power or it focus on the whole equation?
the
It
term.
means in terms of the whole equation or just the power?
Okay, if you have exponent term, you focus on if your yc is exponent negative x, then the y you see your yp whether you got exponent negative x. If no, then no clash. So mean if you first of all you look at this one, c exponent 2x, ex, exponent 2x compared with exponent negative x, this is not clash. Mean when you see these two term, okay, no clash. This one no clash, but okay, c and this term same. What we said clash is actually the same term. This one exponent 2x, this one also exponent 2x. So exactly the same term. Mean
Okay, okay,
clash, okay,
got it.
with same term. The same term. And normally, because your solution for homogeneous equation is in term, okay, for the first case, different and real root, we have a e m1x plus b e m2x, right? Okay, mean okay, you have your yc is either the first form a e m1x plus b e m2x. So normally clash, okay, okay, clash with the if your fx is exponential term or fx later on the cos, okay, or the sin, cos or sin. Cos the third case the complex root. Okay, the second case you may have okay the same and repeated root initially should be e m1 equal to m2. If you put like this, so this belong to the same term. Exponent mx same. That's what we call clash. That's why for the second case of the homogeneous solution, here we have bx, a emx plus bx emx, or they put as a plus bx exponent mx. So normally, okay, if the fx is exponential term or your fx, okay, and the is a sin or cos, you have to be careful whether clash or not. Okay, the third case, you have the complex root, you have the e alpha x, and then okay, a cos beta x plus b sin beta x. So if your fx, okay, and then if your fx is, let's say, in the product form of exponent multiplied with cos or sin, then you may have clash here. Or if the alpha is 0, mean if let's say alpha 0, you have okay, your yc is only a cos beta x, okay, then your yc is a cos beta x plus b sin beta x. Okay, and then if let's say your fx, fx, okay, you may have, let's say this is a cos, uh, so if here beta, then if your fx cos beta x, then clash. So if here cos beta x, this one also cos beta x, then clash. If let's say this one is cos, this is 2x, here 3x, then no clash. Even though, okay, we said cos, okay, cos term and the cos must exactly same. Cos 2x clash provided your fx also cos 2x. If one is 2, if cos 2x, this is cos 3x, then not clash. So same case with okay, what we call okay, clash for exponential term. This one exponent 2x, this is exponent negative x, so not clash. Clash okay, because exponent 2x and this exponent 2x. So this okay, this term is clash. Okay, if you want to okay, look later on clash, okay, we can show you more example with the clash K part. So this one I erase first. So the YC, okay, where up here? So the YP is this one. The correct YP is CX exponent 2x. After multiplied by x, no more clash with YC. Okay. Okay. Then if no more clash, you can differentiate one time, two time, plug in back to the second order non-homogeneous equations there. So your y prime p. So now you have the cx multiply exponent 2x. So you have to assume your take u is actually your cx. You differentiate using product rule. V is exponent 2x. So the u prime is c, v prime is 2 exponent 2x. So u v prime plus v u prime, that's what you get, 2cx exponent 2x plus c exponent 2x. Okay. And then, so you may factor out c exponent 2x 2 x plus 1. Right. Okay, I factor out c exponent 2x. C exponent 2x, c exponent 2x. So the first term still left 2x. Okay, put it properly. 2 2x. Okay, and differentiate second time to put into the second derivative. So again, you need to apply your product rule, where the u is c exponent 2x, the v is 2x plus 1. So your u prime is 2c exponent 2x, v prime is 2. So y double prime p, you have the u v prime plus v u prime. So you got 2c exponent 2x, okay, and then plus 2c exponent 2x multiply 2x. Let me see, check. Okay, u v prime, so u differentiate this one. Later on, v u prime. Okay, then you may factor out 2c exponent 2x. So 1 plus 2x plus 1. So 2 plus 2x. So now you plug in the y double prime, y prime, and y double prime p into, this one plug in into y double prime. This one plug in into y prime, yp plug in into y. Okay, where's the equation? Is where? Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, no more space. They cannot go down. Uh, where is it? Where is the cursor already? Yeah. Um, mm, mm, mm. Okay, so y double prime that we obtain. Okay, y double prime is plug in, okay, y double prime from y double prime p here, which is 2c exponent 2x. So its total is 2 plus 2x. Y prime plug in, okay, from y prime p, which is so minus y prime, so minus c exponent 2x, 2x plus 1. So minus 2y, okay, y that we choose just now, okay, is a c, okay, y, okay, plug in as a yp, which is cx exponent 2x. So cx exponent 2x minus 2 cx exponent 2x. So equal to exponent 2x. Okay, so in order to determine the c, okay, right hand side you have exponent 2x. So we may compare, okay, the term exponent 2x. Okay, or you want to expand, so total this will be 4c exponent 2x plus 4cx exponent 2x. So the second term here minus 2cx, 2cx. Okay, this one is 2cx exponent 2x minus c exponent 2x. Okay, minus 2cx exponent 2x equal to exponent 2x. So you see here 4cx exponent 2x. So minus, okay, 2cx exponent 2x minus 2cx exponent 2x, okay, cancel. So you left is actually 4cx exponent 2x minus c exponent 2x. So total you left 3c exponent 2x compared with right hand side is exponent 2x. So mean 3c equal to 1. Because you got a same term here, 3c equal to 1, c is 1/3. Then you obtain, okay, plug in the c into yp that you choose just now is c x exponent 2x, okay, where the c is 1/3, so 1/3 x exponent 2x. Okay, and then just now the yc that we obtained, where's yc already? Yeah, yc is here. Okay, yc, okay, that we obtain is a exponent negative x plus b exponent 2x. Am I right? B exponent 2x. Okay, then your general solution will be y equal to yp plus yc, okay, which is a exponent negative x plus b exponent 2x plus, okay, 1/3 x exponent 2x. Okay, check whether correct. Okay, no solution here. Okay, where is it? This one nothing. Tutorial 2. Yeah, correct. 1/3 x exponent 2x. Correct. So this is, okay, what we call clash. So that, okay, the tutorial 2a, where you have the clash, okay, only but you just keep multiply x one time only. This one.